Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly. Make sure your device runs a lock screen widget-capable OS and the app you'll use is updated. Once done, enable permissions, widgets, notifications, and lock screen access so the system can display content securely. Next, open the app that provides the widget and find its lock screen or shortcut settings. This is where the widget is registered. You're doing this first, because without registration and permissions, the system won't present the widget option. Now add the widget. Wake the lock screen and enter edit mode by long pressing or via settings lock screen customize. Then choose widgets or add widget and pick the app's lock screen widget from the list. You'll see size and content options. Carefully configure refresh intervals, visible shortcuts, and any privacy masking so sensitive info is hidden until authentication. Once configured, place the widget where you want it and tap Done to commit. This ensures the widget appears exactly as you intended. Finish by locking the screen and confirming the widget appears and updates as expected. This verifies both permissions and data flow. If it doesn't show, make sure the app's lock screen permission is enabled, battery optimization isn't blocking background refresh, and network access is allowed. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the device or reinstall the app to re-register the widget with the system. This resolves most registration and caching problems quickly, so the widget becomes available again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.